Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to draw this drawing by using measurements. Okay guys, this length is 40, height is 65, this one height is 15, this side 20, this one 50. You can draw, you have to join this line. Okay guys, now we are going to see the in AutoCAD. So now this one we need to command use PL, enter, then this side length 40, enter, next this side height 65, enter, enter. Now this side height 15, enter, here this side 20, enter, enter. So here also we need to give the length 40, enter. So now this shape came. Now we need to join this line to this line. This line to this line. So now it is drawing is ready. So we can see the drawing also. See here we have given height, length, this one 15, this one 20, this symbol, this symbol. Now right, you can see this symbol. So now we are pending with dimension. So we are going to give the dimension now. This one linear. So this total height 65, length 40, this one we have given length 15, this length 20, this length same 40, in between this length 50. This line we have drawn. So now it is drawing is completed. See, now it is perfect. If you want to see, you can compare the image also. 40, this side, keep it this side. Now you can see the image. 40, height is 15, 20, this side is 50, 65. So now everything it is completed. Now drawing is good. Like this we can draw the by using measurements. Okay guys, thank you so much.